Para may copy tayo. Okay, let's start our discussion again. So, I hope na memorize nyo na to, itong IP addressing table. So, remember, kapag class A, 0 to 127 yung starting range niya. Okay, yung range is determined on the first octet. Okay, then we have the subnet mask 255000. Network formula n.h.h.h. Then the CIDR value, dito na tayo yata na ito sa CIDR value. So remember, the CIDR value is the total number of network bits. So CIDR is also known as the total of network bits. So bakit naging /8 yung value ng class A? So naging /8 yan kasi meron tayong isang N dito. Remember, octet yan. Octet. So, ibig sabihin yan, that is equivalent to 8 bits. That's why, CIDR is equivalent to total number of network bits. So, since isa lang yung network bits na N ng class A, so it means 8 yung CIDR value niya. Sa class B, kaya naging 16, dalawang N. So, 8 plus 8, 16. Sa class C, tatlong N. So, that is 20, 24. Nakuha kung bakit naging 8, 16, and 24. Bibilangin nyo lang yung N. Bawat isang N, 8. Diba? Kasi 8, ang isang part dito is octet. And octet is 8 bits. Okay? Next, the number of hosts. Pag sinabi natin number of hosts, gaano karaming computers ang pwede mong i-connect? Unahin muna natin dito sa pinakamababa. Okay, so yung number of hosts, that is 2 raised to 8. Okay, yung 2, laging fix, yung 2. Pero yung exponent, yung exponent, it depends on the number of host bits naman. Host bits. Okay, so kaya ito naging 8 kasi tingnan nyo yung network formula, isa lang yung H. Okay, so it means 2 raised to 8. Ito naman, dalawang H, so that is 2 raised to 16. And yung dito naman sa class A, tatlong H, so that is 2 raised to 24. Okay? So, yan yung number of hosts na pwede mong i-connect sa bawat class. So, meaning, habang tumataas yung class, yung pinakamababang class natin is class C. Okay? Up to 2 raised to 8 lang yung host niya. Okay? Pag class B, okay, 2 raised to 16. And then pag class A, 2 raised to 24. So marami. Mas marami ang host kapag class A ang gamit mo. Okay, kasi 2 raised to 24 siya. Okay? 2 raised to 8, approximately mga 250. Kanina yung kinumpit natin, 256. Okay, pag 2 raised to 16, siguro mga nasa 32,000 hosts. Pag 2 raised to 24, siguro mga nasa 16 million users. Okay, so hindi naman mahalaga yung total number, basta alam niyo lang yung formula. So 2 raised to 8, 16, and 24. Okay? So let's now proceed. Recitation muna tayo. Let's start with sino kasi itong Julina, ikaw muna. Okay, this is your question. What is the what class of IP address is this? 172.16.8.10. Anong klase yan? What class of IP address is 172.16.8.10? Anong class? Ha? Ba, nasa table yan. Ayan o, nasa table. Hirap na yan. Hindi, anong class? We are talking about address table. Okay, class B. Okay, class B IP address yan. And sinecheck natin yan dito. Yung first octet. 172 is under this. Okay. Next. Next question kay Factor. Okay. John Reniel. Okay. Based on this address, how many host bits are there?
Ano po, sir?
How many host bits are there in that IP address? Ilan ang total na host bits ng address na to? Look at the table. Malalaman mo na agad kung ilan yung host bits niya.
191, sir.
Ha?
128, sir.
Ano daw? Pakilakas.
128 po.
Host bits. How many host bits is 172.16.8.10?
16, sir.
Bakit naging 16? Bakit naging 16?
Times po, sir.
Paano nga? Paano mo na kayo 16? Okay. Any other? Lime and Marty. Bakit? Ano yung host bits natin? Ilan yung host bits?
2 8, sir.
Okay. Dahil dito, di ba? Ayan o, 2 8. So it means isang 8 is 8 bits. O another 8 bits. So that is 16. Okay, pay attention. Dun sa, kaya nga meron tayong table kasi dito natin nalalaman kung ilan yung host bits. O kung meron tayong 16 host bits, ilan ang network bits natin? Ilan ang network bits? Ilan? Okay, 16. Bakit 16? Kasi dalawa yung N. Diba? H means host. N means network. O, bibilangin mo lang kung ilang bits. Grabe naman. Ano ba nangyayari sa inyo? Di pa ba kayo kumain? Pare-parehas lang tayo niyan. Okay. So, okay na tayo kay addressing. So, tatandaan lang to. Okay. So, how do we apply the addressing? So, for example, gagamitin natin yung basic addressing, class C. Kung napapansin nyo, yung mga private address nyo always starts with 192. Okay? Kasi, as default, ang ginagamit nating addressing is class C. That's why we try to use 192. Okay? So, let's try. Halimbawa, ang addressing nyo na ginagamit for public, for private is 192.168. Let's say 1. Okay, got 10. Okay, halimbawa yun yung address nyo. So, syempre, ang number of host bits niyan, ilan ang host bits niyan? Anong class muna? Okay, this is class C. And then host bits?
8 po.
8. And how many network? 6. This is 24. Good. Yan, ganyan lang. Okay, now, paano ba tayo naglalagay ng IP address sa PC? Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate you this software, yung Packet Tracer, ito yung software na gagamitin natin for simulating network. Okay? So, for example, we're going to create a network here, local area network. So, dito sa baba, makikita nyo rito yung mga devices. Meron tayong router. Ito. We have the switch, this one. We have the hub, and we have the wireless device. Okay? So, unahin muna natin, gamit muna tayo ng switch. So, click nyo lang yung switch. Okay, then pipili kayo ng model ng switch dito. Okay, kahit naman ano dito pwede nyo gamitin. Unahin na lang natin itong 2950. Okay, yung 2950-24. So you just click this and then drag. Lagay nyo lang sa gitna. So, ito yung switch natin. Okay, this switch is 24 ports. Ayan o, kita nyo? From 1 to 24, so meaning 24 yung slot, yung connection niya. Okay, if you want to see the image of this switch, click nyo lang. Ayan, ganito yung itsura niya. Ano, meron tayong 24 ports. Okay, meaning 24 computers yung pwede mong i-connect. Naintindihan? Ito, yung mga RJ45 connector niya. So, dito pwede tayo maglagay ng mga computers. Is that clear? Okay. Ngayon, gagawa tayo or magko-connect tayo ng dalawang computer to simulate. Okay? So, maglagay tayo. Ito, sa baba, merong end device. So, dun sa end devices, pwede kang mamili. Generic computer, server, pwede kang maglagay ng phone, ng smart devices. So, syempre, gagamitin natin is PC. So, you just click this and then drag. And then click another one and drag. So, the idea here is kailangan nating makita kung itong PC nito maka-connect dito sa computer na to using this address. Nasaan na yung address natin kanina? Hindi pala dyan sa PowerPoint. Ito, using this address, yung 192.168.1. Okay? So, let's now connect this papunta dito. Okay, connect natin sa switch. So, paano gagawin? Okay, kindly click this one, yung parang Thunderbolt, yung kulay orange. So, click nyo lang yan. And then, in connecting switch to PC, ang gagamitin natin dyan is straight through. So, dito sa connections, hanapin nyo lang yung straight through. Ito yon, yung line. So, straight through. So, you just click this, click. And then, yung unang port, i-connect mo sa PC. Okay, connect mo sa PC. And then, kindly select fast Ethernet. Ito, fast Ethernet. Meaning yung LAN connector ng PC. Doon mo i-connect yan. Okay, then, ayun na. Kita nyo. So, ito na yung cable, yung kulay black. I-connect natin ngayon dito. Sa switch. So, click the switch. And then, pili ka ng kahit saan dito, pwede mong i-connect yan. Okay? Huwag lang sa console. Dito lang, sa kulay yellow. So, let's say, connect natin siya sa Fast Ethernet 1, dun sa port number 1. So, yun na. Okay? So, nakita nyo, nagkulay green, pero dun sa switch, kulay orange. So, hintayin nyo lang na magkulay green yan. Okay? Before kayo mag-start. So, you need to make this color green before you start connecting. Tingnan lang natin. Okay, yan. Nagkulay green na. So, let's now connect this PC to the switch. So, again, straight through ulit. Okay, click natin sa PC1. Fast Ethernet. Connect natin sa switch. Kung napansin nyo, wala na rito yung 1. Kasi ginamit na natin dito. Okay, so gamitin natin si Fast Ethernet 2. And then, let's wait. Okay, habang hinihintay natin na magkulay green. Okay, let's now change the IP address of PC0. Ito. Palitan natin yung IP. So, paano pinapalitan yung IP? Click nyo lang yung PC. Okay, once you click the PC, ito yung lalabas. Okay, parang CPU, di ba? Dito natin kinonect yung connection natin kanina. Okay, now after that, okay, pagka nabuksan na yun na, again, close natin. So, click natin ulit. Okay, then let's go now to desktop. Punta ka sa desktop. Okay, under desktop, punta ka kay IP configuration dito. IP configuration. And then, you can now type the IP address of that computer. So, let's say the IP address of PC1 is 192.168.1.1. Okay? 192.168.1.1. So, anong class to? Anong class yung IP address na yan? Okay, class C. Okay, so ulitin natin. Type natin ulit 192.168.1.1. Okay, now on the default gateway, ba tayo? Sorry, dito pala, IP address 192.168.1.1. Now, on the subnet mask, okay, napansin nyo, automatic lumabas yung subnet mask. Bakit? Bakit siya automatic na lumabas, 3255? Kasi, kung babasahin nyo kanina, di ba, pag class C, ang default mask niya is ito, 32550. That's why, okay, automatic na lumabas itong 255.255.255.0. Okay? So that is the default mask or subnet mask of class C. Okay, then, huwag nyo muna lagyan ng default gateway and other things dito. Ito lang muna dalawa, yung IP and subnet mask. So after doing this, you just click close. And to check the IP address of your PC, click nyo lang yung terminal. Sorry, not terminal. Command prompt. Ito. So, simulation to, remember. So, pwede nating i-simulate kung ano yung IP address ng PC. So, i-click lang natin to, yung command prompt. Okay, lalabas to, yung parang kanina. Then, you just type ipconfig. And press enter. And as you can see, this is now the IP address of PC0, 192.168.1.1. And ito yung new subnet mask niya, 3255.0. Okay? So, close ko lang, close. Okay, so that is now PC0. Now, another way to know the IP address of your computer, you can put your mouse on top of the PC. Itatapat nyo lang. Okay? Nakita nyo ba yung IP? Nakita nyo ba yung IP? Ayun, no, nakasulat, IP address is 192.168.1.1. Pero ang nakalagay, /24. Okay, bakit /24 yung lumabas? Tingnan nyo ulit yung table. Ayan, no? The CIDR value for class C is /24 as default. Bakit siya naging 24? Kasi tatlo yung 255 niya. Okay, or tatlo yung N ng class C. That's why ang lumabas is /24. Naintindihan ba?
Yes po.
Okay. Ngayon, let's go now to the second PC. Okay. Palitan natin yung IP address nito. So, you just click, go to desktop, go to command prompt. Sorry, hindi pala dyan. Dito pala, kay IP configuration. Click nyo to. And then, type the IP. So, 192.168.1.2. You cannot use 1. Okay? Bakit hindi pwedeng gamitin si 1?
Nagamit na siya, sir.
Kasi nagamit na. Okay, so you need to use other numbers. So, let's say 2. Okay, so subnet mask, same pa rin. Okay, then let's close. Then check the IP address. Go to command prompt. Then type IP config. Okay, so that is 192.168.1.2. Okay, so I close this again, and then tapat ko lang dito yung correction. So, nakita ba yung IP? Okay, so that PC is now 192.168.1. Okay, now, in order for you to check the connection, Paano mo malalaman kung may connection si PC0 papunta kay PC1? Okay, punta tayo kay PC0. Okay, na kay PC0 tayo. And then command prompt ulit. Okay? Now, I will going to use the command ping. P-I-N-G. Ping command is used to check the connectivity to other network. So, ang gagawin mo lang, type mo lang yung word na ping, and then, i-type mo yung IP address ng gusto mong i-check. So, syempre, ito, 1.1 yan. Gusto kong i-check kung may connection ako kay PC1. Di ba, remember, ang address nito is 2. So, I type here 192.168.1.2. Okay? Ping 192.168.1.2. Now, once I press enter, pag ang lumabas is reply, kagaya nito, nakita nyo, reply, it means there is a connection between this PC and to this PC. Naintindihan?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, now, what if, tanggalin ko to, yung connection na to. So, if you want to erase this connection, you just click the delete button. Okay, click nyo lang yung delete and then tapat nyo lang yung X dito kay yung connection nyo dito. So, I click this. So, meaning, okay, wala nang connection si PC1 sa network kasi wala na siyang cable.
Apo.
Okay, now, I will going to ping again. Okay, piping ko ulit yung same address. Ping 192.168.1.2. Ito yon. Eh, walang cable. So, dapat, ang lalabas dyan is request timeout. Ayan. Tama ba? Request timeout.
Papa.
Pag request timeout, ibig sabihin nun, walang connection yung isang PC to another PC. Is that clear?
Yes po.
Okay. So, again, balik natin yung connection. Paano ibabalik? Punta kay connections.
Straight through.
PNC straight through. Pwede natin i-click dito sa switch. Kahit saan dito. Halimbawa, dito. Gusto mo pang 15. Connect natin sa fast Ethernet ng PC1. And then, pag nakakulay orange, hindi mo pwedeng iping yan. Ha? So, as you can see, tingnan nyo, orange yan. Pag pining ko si 2, although nakakonect na siya, request timeout pa rin yan.
Apo.
Okay? Magre-request timeout yan. Kailangan kulay green yan before mag-reply. Okay? So, naiintindihan ba yung gamit ng packet tracer? Ganyan kaganda yan. No, instead na mag-network tayo sa school, pwede naman dito i-simulate. Okay? Try natin ulit. Ping natin ulit yung 2. Nag-reply ba?
Yes po.
Nag-reply. So, it means they have a connection. Now, take note. Another note that you need to understand. Remember, kapag N, ay, dito tayo. Kapag N, pag may nakita kayong N, okay, it means those are fixed number. Okay, fixed number. So, halimbawa, dito, sa class C, kita nyo itong class C address na to. Di ba remember, ang network formula natin is n.n.n.h. So, meaning to say, itong tatlong number na to, these three numbers are fixed. At yung napapalitan lang na pwede nyong palitan is ito. Yan. Yan yung tinatawag nating host. Okay, yung host, pwede mong palitan yan. Any number. From 0 to 255. Okay, any number to, pwede mong palitan from 0 to 255. Okay? Remember ha? Any number from 0 to 255. Pero itong tatlo, since class C yan, yung tatlong number na yan is N. So it means you cannot change these three numbers. Okay, pag pinalitan mo yung number na to, hindi na sila mag-meet sa network. Is that clear?
Apo.
Let's try. Totoo kaya yung sinabi ko? Try natin. Okay, si PC1, babaguhin ko yung IP. Class C pa rin siya, pero instead of 1, gagawin kong 10. Okay? 192.168.10.2. O, take note, itong tatlo na to dapat daw fix or parehas sila ng dalawang network. Okay? Eh kaso, itong PC0, 1 yan. Eh kaso, itong PC1 is ginawa kong 10. Now, I'm going to save this. Okay, so this is now, tingnan natin yung IP. Ayun na, 10. 10.2 na siya. But remember, itong PC na to is 1.1. So I'm going to check, okay? I'm going to check the IP. So ipiping ko ulit siya. Ping 192.168.10.2 and look what will happen. Nag-connect ba sila?
Di po.
Hindi sila nag-connect. So bakit kaya hindi sila nag-connect? Kasi Ross, bakit hindi sila nag-connect? Okay, kasi dapat ang rules dapat yung network bits, ito yung tatlo, di ba yun yung network bits natin pag class A, dapat parehas yan. Or else hindi sila pwedeng mag-connect sa network.
Okay po.
Okay, ngayon, paano sila magko-connect? Okay, I will going to change this to 10. Okay, so palitan ko to. Gawin ko to, I'll go to IP config. Yung 1 dito, gagawin ko 10. Okay, I'll close this again, and then dito ko naman ipiping command prompt. Okay, so ano yung address ng PC na to? What is the IP address of this PC?
That 10 that
That 1. 10.1.
Opo.
Okay, so ping natin. Ping 192.168.10.1. Okay. Magre-reply o hindi?
Re-reply po, sir.
Magre-reply o hindi? Answer.
Re-reply po.
Okay. Magre-reply. Tingnan natin. Ayun.
Opo.
Nagigets ba? Nagigets?
Opo, sir. Gets na.
So meaning, kapag nagdagdag pa kayo ng other PC dyan, dapat pare-parehas yung first three numbers. Okay? Kasi class C siya eh. Okay? Pero pag class B yan, okay? Kapag class B yung addressing, dapat parehas lang yung first two octet. Yung second and yung third and fourth, kahit magkaiba, pwede. Okay? So subukan natin. Halimbawa, class B tayo, class B. Okay, so I'll close this. Palitan ko to, class B address. So for example, I choose 172.16.8.1. Okay, since class B yan, papalitan natin to. Okay, anong papalit natin dito, class? Okay, that's 0. Good. Okay. Close ko to. And close. So, tingnan nyo. Once I put the IP address here, ayun na, nakalagay 172.16.8.1/16. Kasi class B siya. Okay, papalitan ko to. I change this to 172.16.8.10. Halimbawa. And then change this to 255.255.0.0. Okay. So, tingnan nga natin yung IP. So, the IP is 172.16.8.10. Okay. Ito, anong address ito? 172.16.8.1. Okay, let's check. Ping natin. So, let's ping yung katabi. 172.16.8. Ano yung address nito? 8.1. Hindi, ito yung 1, ito yung 10. Nasa kabila yung 10. Ito yung 10 eh. Okay? So let's try. Magre-reply. Nag-reply. So it means they are connected. Now, what if I change this from 8? Gagawin kong 10. 172.16.10.10. Magre-reply ba o hindi? Bakit siya magre-reply? Okay. So, ito yung network. Yung third and fourth octet pwedeng mag-cut. Sige, try natin. Command prompt. Iping natin si 8.1. Yan. So, 172.16.8.1. Nag-reply ba? Nag-reply. So, it means they are now connected. Nagigets ba? Sigurado? Okay. So, on your PC, try to do this. Maglagay kayo ng dalawang PC. Ito yung requirement ha. Lagay kayo requirement. On your PC, okay, mag-create kayo ng network with 4 computers. Okay, so isang switch, 4 PC, and then ito yung mga address. Yung unang PC is 192.168.10.1. 2, 3, 4. So this is 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Kindly create this and then test. Test the network. Okay, may na-install na ba na packet tracer? Kung wala pa, punta kayo sa Blue Hive sa under yung subject. Pwede nyo i-download doon. Okay? Download nyo na lang dito.
Apa.
Okay?
Download na po.
Okay. Ngayon, pag na-download na, pwede nyo nang gawin.
Sige pa, sir.
Okay, nandito si Wawi. Wawi, ikaw. Gagawin mo rito yan. Gawin mo rito. Ngayon. Okay, ulitin ko to. Gagawin mo rito. Okay? So, ito yung requirements.
Sir, saan ipapasa?
Hindi, gagawin nyo muna dyan.
Sige, sir.
Tapos, screenshot nyo na lang dun sa GC natin. Okay?
Okay po.
Kung may tatanong ka, pwede mo tanong sa kanila. Sige. Lime, assist mo si ano ha? Assist mo si pangalan na Kaswawi.
Sige po.
Ano nga, sir?